Hey everyone, I just put new tires on the Godzilla. They had the Continentals. So anyways, I just first set of tires, 55,000 miles. Hauled the truck camper about 12,000 of those miles. And then now we've got the Michelin put on here, so we'll see what we got. So we have the Michelin Cross Climate. $1,333.76, and then I have another $110 rebate to mail in. So that's $275.65 R18s. So we'll see how these do, see if we get another 50,000 plus miles on those. They feel pretty good just pulling out. So the new tires are the Agilis Cross Climate commercial grade tire. These are rated at 3,415 pounds. Load rangey, obviously. So I had no issues with the Continentals. I might have even gone with them again, but I will say the little bit that we've already hauled the camper on one trip. We did about a 250 mile round trip. It rode very smooth with on there, probably as smooth as it has been. We'll see if they last as long as those Continentals. We hope everybody is doing great. We finally got some rain here, much needed rain. We've only had rain a couple times in the last couple months. So it's been very dry this way. But anyways, create your own story today and check out our videos. We just do adventure and living life videos, and create your own story today. Have a great day.